Well, hello from the Liked Art Oval, Ireland's training base on the outskirts of Sydney. Well, preparations are in full flow for Saturday's inaugural Nations Championship game against Joe Schmidt's Wallabies. The Ireland team have been training here for the last few days. Really cool setup, a proper old school rugby league ground, like I said, in Sydney. All of the Ireland squad seem to be fit and available, as Paul O'Connell told us at the weekend. They all appear to be training. Well, Andy Farrell has a couple of big decisions to make ahead of his team selection on Thursday for Saturday's game. It wouldn't be an Ireland test week, would it, without a number 10 debate. Of course, that has been reopened on the back of Jack Crowley's injury. The Munster out half, unfortunately, hasn't travelled to Australia with the Ireland squad due to that injury he picked up with Munster towards the tail end of the season. Well, that means that Andy Farrell has a choice between Sam Prendergast, Ciaran Frawley and Harry Byrne, three Leinster out halves who I think it's fair to say come into this tour on the back of varying degrees of form. I think you'd have to imagine Sam Prendergast is the front runner to start this weekend. He was outstanding in Leinster's URC final win over the Bulls at Croke Park a couple of weeks ago. Obviously had a difficult Six Nations in terms of losing his place in the team, first of all, to Jack Crowley, and then in the 23. With Ciaran Frawley, of course, coming onto the bench. Now, Frawley himself has had a very interesting end to the season. He was one of Leinster's best players off the bench in their Champions Cup final defeat to Bordeaux in Bilbao. But then after that, he didn't feature in any of their knockout games over the wins over the Lions, the wins over Stormers, and the final win over the Bulls. I actually have sat down with Ciaran Frawley this week. We'll have a big exclusive interview coming with him over the next few days. And it was great to get his thoughts on sort of how the end of his Leinster career has played out, because of course he is going to join Connacht at the end of this season. So while it was disappointing, I think, for his Leinster career to finish on the note that he did, I think his main takeaway, he could understand that Leo Cullen wanted to give the game time to the likes of Harry Byrne and Sam Prendergast, who will be staying with Leinster next season. It's quite a measured, mature outlook, but it'll be fascinating to see where Ciaran Frawley fits in on this tour. Of course, he impressed off the bench for Ireland during the Six Nations, not necessarily at 10, a bit at 12, a bit at 15 as well, but that versatility is always going to come in handy. And then, of course, there is Harry Byrne, who started that Champions Cup final in Bilbao with Sam Prendergast left out of the matchday 23. Harry Byrne is also someone we've spoken to over the last few days. People might have read the piece that we have on the Irish Independent. He was quite honest about how tough that experience in Bilbao was for Harry Byrne from the team point of view, but also from himself. He then lost his place in the Leinster team to Sam Prendergast, who took his chance, you'd have to say, in the knockout game. So Andy Farrell has plenty of choice to make. It'll be interesting to see if all three tens get a decent amount of game time over the next three games, which of course is against Australia this weekend, Japan on Saturday week, and then in Eden Park in a couple of weeks' time. So whoever it is that gets the nod this weekend will have a great chance to lay down a marker. Look, Andy Farrell we know he's been a big fan of Sam Prendergast for a long time. He's the one who sort of pushed him in early doors last year or even the year before. And he's always been a big fan of Harry Byrne, but Harry Byrne has struggled with injury at different times. Of course, he was ruled out of the Six Nations earlier this year, which meant that he didn't get a chance to play at all. So he's coming into camp really hungry as well to make an impression. So Ireland are just about to start their training session. Another chance for the 310s to stake their claim in Andy Farrell's eyes before he makes his final decision on who will start against the Wallabies in Sydney on Saturday. Make sure you stay tuned to the Irish Independent for all the best coverage of Ireland's Nations Championship Tour.